What's good, guys? Welcome to another video. In this video, I want to be analyzing gold and giving you my perspective for the week or the month ahead. You know that gold recently have had a big sell-off, and I just want to give my idea. And I think we are having a potential buying opportunity to continue the bullish trend on gold. And a lot of people have reached out to me that I'm not posting, I'm no longer posting on WhatsApp, that they enjoy my videos. So before we get started, please do it to like this video, and if you haven't subscribed, do it to subscribe before we get into our analysis. And yeah, I really appreciate the love, the support, the messages that you guys have sent to me. And yeah, from now on to start building the consistency back, and hopefully yeah, we pick it up from here. So let's head into the gold. So guys, let's quickly go head on to the chart, the gold chart, and we'll start from the monthly time frame. So as you can see, the gold has been on an uptrend for the longest of time, but this year really made it evident. As you can see that we had some consolidation here, but after that you can see the month of October, you can see September and also August. So these have been really bullish months. So we just had this latest sell-off, and I also give my opinion on what I think about the sell-off. And yeah, you'll find out my opinion if we have a potential buying opportunity to ride good to the end of the year, or if we are down to getting bearish, if we are going to get bearish in the near future. So let's see. This is the monthly time frame. We can clearly see that everything is still bullish, but we head to the weekly time frame. I can see this the sell-off that happened last week, and nothing much, but you can clearly see the bullish momentum on gold for the past few weeks. That's been a crazy ride. So if we head back to the daily time frame, where I'll give my own opinion on what's going on gold. So on the 4 hour, we can clearly see the sell-off, and if we head to something like the 2 hour time frame, you can clearly see the M pattern that was formed on from last week. This was the M pattern that was formed from last week, which indicates a selling opportunity. But there's one thing that you need to know about this kind of pattern. They're usually tricky, especially with gold, because now it shows that okay, when it gets to like the neckline, people want to buy, but that could be a trap, because when you look at gold sentiment, geopolitical tension, and also it appreciates with time. Yeah, it appreciates with time. So you need to consider all these things. That's why gold has always been bullish right from time. So my opinion is that um this is an M pattern, and a lot of people try to buy from this particular zone here. This particular zone, a lot of people try to buy here, but got stopped out. As you can see, we got stopped out here, and the market tanked. Also, market test this area of former resistance. This was resistance. Let me mark it out. So this was the resistance before. So that area was an area of resistance before, but now price broke above it, created the M pattern, and retested this particular resistance, creating a support. So in my own opinion, this zone could be a support to actually take the take the price higher. And if you can look clearly, you can see my trend line on the 4 hour time frame, which price has been respecting. I actually drew this trend line since when price touched it for the third time, and ever since price has respected it. Even during this sell-off, I was skeptical about the trend line, that price may actually disrespect the trend line, but as you can see, price has respected it beautifully, and it's no coincidence that the trend line also aligned with this previous support, and price has been bouncing back lately from that zone. As you can see, all the week price has been bouncing back from that zone, which could indicate more buying opportunity. So I'll be looking for buying opportunity because of everything that's going on around the world and how gold has been bullish. I don't want to be going against the trend. So what I'll be looking for is a break of this zone, a break of this zone, yeah, a break of this zone, something like this. Then I'll take my buys and ride it to the highs, something like this. So is something I'm looking for. And we could also take cleaner entry from this zone on the lower time frame. If you head back to lower time frame, you see your confirmation, your trade confirmation. I don't know, different people use different confirmation. When you get your confirmation to buy, you can take buys. But this is my bias for the week. So I'm looking for bullish movement. But if we don't get it and we get a something like this where price will disrespect this um current support level and also this trend line, then we know that we are in for some bearish momentum. But for now, I'm still bullish. So this is just my opinion. I decided to drop my opinion because I feel like it's going to be helpful to some traders out there. Yeah, so if this video actually helps you in one way or the other, you can do well to like, subscribe, share with your friends that also trade gold, and it might help them. Who knows? It might help them this week. So let's just see, and I'll be giving an update on next week. So just continue to be doing this kind of reviews. We're talking about gold and some other currencies before the week. And yeah, have a nice day, bro. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace and love.